Okay, let's continue this another 4 remaining problems, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we are still on the numeric word problems or number-based word problems or simply number problems. So number 13. So the sum of 3 consecutive integers is 108. Okay, so consecutive integers, there's no mention about odd integer or even integer. So we'll just use the form or the pattern like this: x as the first integer, x plus 1 as the second integer, and x plus 3 the third integer. Okay, so it says sum. So the word sum means we have to add all the 3 consecutive integers. Okay, so add first and second and then add the third integer. The word is means equals 108. Now, on the left side, combining similar terms or like terms, we have x plus x plus x equal to 3x. Then combining the constants, this is x plus 2. So combining the constants, you have 1 plus 2 equal to 3 equal to 108. So solving for x, so subtract both sides by 3. Then just bring this down. So we have 3x, positive 3, cancels out with the negative 3, leaving only 3x on the left side, and then 108 minus 3 equal to 105. Then to solve for x, divide both sides by 3. So 3 at the numerator cancels out to the 3 at the denominator, leaving x on the left side. And 105 divided by 3 equal to 35. So this is our first integer. So to solve for the second integer, our second integer is x plus 1. Okay, so our x is equal to 35. So 35 plus 1 equal to 36. Then our next or the third integer is x plus 2. Okay, this is our third integer. So our x is 35 plus 2 equal to 37. So therefore, we need to answer this question: what are the integers? So therefore, the integers are 35, 36, and 37. So this is our final answer. Okay, so this is problem number 13. So going to number 14. So the sum of 3 consecutive integers is negative 126. What are the integers? So again, there's no mention about odd or even consecutive integers. So we'll use the same pattern or the format of our first integer as x, our second integer is x plus 1, and our third integer is x plus 2. So again, there's a word sum. So we have to add, because sum of 3 consecutive integers, so we have to add them. Okay? Then the word is, again, is means equals, then negative 126. So negative 126. So combining similar terms on the left side, x plus x plus x, we have 3x. Then combining the constants, 1 plus 2 equal to 3 equal to minus 126. So subtracting both sides by 3. Then bring this down. So 3x, positive 3 cancels out with a negative 3. Then negative 126 minus 3 equal to negative 129. So solving for x, divide both sides by 3. So 3 at the numerator cancels out with the 3 at the denominator, leaving x on the left side. Negative 129 divided by 3 equal to minus 43. Okay, so we have solved the first of the 3 consecutive integers. So solving for the second integer, x plus 1, our second integer, our x equal to minus 43 plus 1 equal to minus 42. Solving for the third integer, x plus 2 equal to our x minus 43, then plus 2, our x equal to minus 41. So we have here the 3 consecutive integers. So let us answer this question. What are the integers? So therefore, the integers are you have minus 43, minus 42, and minus 41. So this is our final answer. Okay, so second to the last number, number 15. So number 15, find 3 consecutive integers such that the sum of the first twice the second and 3 times the third is negative 76. So again, there's no mention about odd or even integers, so we will use the same pattern. So we have x for our first integer, then our second integer is x plus 1, then our third integer is x plus 2. But it says that the sum, okay, sum means plus. So sum of the first, this is our first, twice the second, so this is our second integer, twice of it, then plus, then 3 times the third. So this is our third integer, so 3 times of this. So again, we add this also. Is, so the word is equivalent to equals, then minus 76. Okay, so applying the distributive property of multiplication. So we multiply this number outside the parenthesis. So we have x plus 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 1 is 2, then plus 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 2 equal to 6. So all the signs are positive because there's no negative, and there's left side equal to minus 76. Now, combining similar terms, we have x plus 2x equal to 3x. Then we have another 3x, so total is 6x. Then we have the constants here, positive 2, we have positive 6, so positive 8 equal to minus 76. So this is now our equation. So to solve this equation, we subtract both sides by 8 to isolate the term that contains the variable on the left side, then subtract or do the same also on the right side. Okay, so positive 8 cancels out with the negative 8. Bring this down. So 6x equal to minus 76 minus 8 equal to minus 84. So to solve for x, divide both sides by 6. So 6 at the numerator cancels out with the 6 at the denominator, leaving x on the left side. Then on the right side, we have minus 84 divided by 6 equal to minus 14. Okay, so this is our first integer. And to solve for the second integer, we have x plus 1. This is our second integer, x plus 1 equal to, our x equal to minus 14 plus 1 equal to minus 13. And the third consecutive integer is x plus 2, this one. So our x is minus 14 plus 2 equal to minus 12. So therefore, so find the three consecutive integers. So therefore, the three consecutive integers are we have minus 14, minus 13, and minus 12. So this is our final answer. Okay, so last number. Our last problem here says that find the three consecutive odd integers such that the sum of the first 2 times the second and 3 times the third is 70. So this time, this problem mention about odd. Okay, so we will use another pattern, not like the 3 numbers above. So this time, since it mentioned about odd, so we'll use the pattern, the format for the odd or even integers. So the format is something like this. So x as the first integer, then the second integer is x plus 2. Okay, and the third integer is x plus 4. Alright, so there's a word here, sum, no? Such that the sum, so again, sum means plus, sum of the first, so this is our first, which is x, twice or 2 times the second, so 2 times the second, so the second integer, 2 times of that, so you add, and then, and 3 times the third, so this is the third, so 3 times of this, so again, this is sum, so you have to add. Then the word is means equals 70. So this is our equation now. Then again, we'll apply the distributive property of multiplication. Okay, so x, then positive 2 times positive x is positive 2x, positive 2 times positive 2 equal to positive 4. And we have plus positive 3 times positive x is positive 3x, positive 3 times positive 4, positive 12 equal to 70. Okay? So next, combine the similar terms. You have x plus 2x is 3x. We have another 3x here. So total is 6x. Then combining the constants, we have positive 4 and positive 12, so equal to positive 16, equal to 70. So solving for the variable x, so we have to subtract both sides by 16. So positive 16 cancels out with a negative 16. Then bring this down, so we have 6x equal to 70 minus 16 equal to 54. Then to solve for x, divide both sides by 6. Divide this by 6, leaving x on the left side. So x equal to 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. Okay, so we have our first odd integer. Then to solve for the second odd integer, we have x plus 2. So this is our second odd integer, x plus 2. So our x is 9. So 9 plus 2 equals 11. Then our third consecutive odd integer is x plus 4. So x plus 4 equal to, our x is 9 plus 4 equal to 13. So we have the numbers here, 9, 11, and 13. So the question is, the problem is find the three consecutive odd integers. So our answer will be, therefore, the three consecutive odd integers are, we have 9, 11, and 13. So this is our final answer. Okay, so we have solved the 4 problems out of 8. So if you have any questions, if you have any comments, you may leave them in the comment section. Thank you very much and see you in our next video.